Most amazing scientific discoveries of 2016. Carbon dioxide. 2. Solid stone.
Carbon capture is an important part of maintaining the balance of carbon dioxide emissions on the planet. Whenever fuels are burned, all of the carbon dioxide that was stored within is released into the atmosphere. Humans have been causing this problem for a long time, and we are seeing the effects of global climate change. Scientists in Iceland may have found a way to permanently capture carbon emissions so that they do not go into the atmosphere, further harming the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide was pumped into volcanic rock in Iceland, which sped up a natural process that turns basalt into carbonate minerals, which then become limestone. This process normally takes hundreds of thousands of years, but the scientists in Iceland were able to do it in only 2 years. The result is carbon capture into a rock that could be stored underground or even used as a building material so that the captured carbon dioxide never re-enters the atmosphere.
Earth has a second moon.
NASA scientists discovered an asteroid that has been captured and is in stable Earth orbit, making it a constant near-Earth companion, or a second satellite. There are a lot of objects orbiting this planet, space stations, man-made satellites, and lots of junk, but only one moon that we can see. Now, NASA has confirmed the existence of 2016 HO3. The asteroid orbits very far from Earth and is more gravitationally affected by the Sun than Earth, but it does orbit Earth as well along its orbital path of the Sun. They don't get too excited about walking on it one day, as it is considerably smaller than our natural satellite with dimensions of 40 to 100 meters, 130 to 350 feet across. 2016 HO3 is in a fairly stable orbit around the Earth and Sun but will depart in a few centuries, according to Paul Childers, manager for NASA's Center for Near-Earth Objects, NEO. Childers also revealed that 2016 HO3 has been a stable quasi-satellite of Earth for more than a century.
Eternal data storage.
Everything degrades eventually, and there is no way to store data on one device for truly extended periods of time. But that may no longer be true due to a discovery made by the University of Southampton. Scientists have successfully used nanostructured glass to create a process for recording and retrieving data. The storage device is a small glass disc about the size of an American quarter that can hold 360 terabytes of data and remain intact up to 1000 degrees Celsius. This means that its average shelf life when held at room temperature would be approximately 13.8 billion years, roughly the same amount of time the universe has existed. Data is written on the device using an ultra-fast laser via short and intense light pulses. Each file is written in 3 layers of nanostructured dots that are only 5 micrometers apart. When read, the data is realized in 5 dimensions, the 3-dimensional position of the nanostructured dots as well as their size and orientation.
9th planet in the solar system.
Before the discovery of Pluto in the 20th century, it had been theorized that a 9th planet, Planet X, existed beyond Neptune due to the gravitational clustering that could only be caused by a massive object. It was then believed that this planet was found in Pluto, but that never fully quantified the gravitational distortion until scientists at the California Institute of Technology presented evidence that a 9th planet truly does exist with an orbital period of 15,000 years. The astronomers who published their discovery have calculated that there is only a 0.007% chance, or about 1 in 15,000, that the clustering could be a coincidence. Presently, Planet 9 remains hypothetical, but astronomers have calculated its orbit to be quite massive. If it does exist, the planet would likely be approximately 2 to 15 times the mass of Earth and orbit between 200 and 1,600 astronomical units from the Sun. An astronomical units is 150 million kilometers, which means that the planet could orbit as far from the Sun as 240 billion kilometers. If you are new in this channel, then please make sure to hit subscribe for more upcoming interesting videos. Hit like button if you like this video, it's free and it will appreciate it.